Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. I'm your girl Anita, and in today's video I will be doing some quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs. You don't want to miss it. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, become a part of the Decor and DIY family by just hitting that button, subscribe, and hitting the bell and select all. So subscribe, put your post notification bell on. Very easy to do, guys. And give my video a thumbs up. Also leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the DIYs and share my videos with your family and friends. Without further ado, guys, let's jump into the video. So guys, I'm sure you all must have Easter egg left over, guys. Did you know that you could use your Easter eggs to make these beautiful flowers? Let me show you how. These flowers can be found at maybe like Home Depot, Walmart, or those places where you have the garden section. You normally find things like these that people put them in their garden, in their flower pots, or you know, they're just basically outdoor decor for your garden. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using my leftover eggs, as you can see, to make these. I'm gonna show you how I put these together real quick. Very quick and easy. Turns out very beautiful. All I'm using are some Easter eggs, straw sticks, and the little short what is it called, ice cream stick that I purchased all from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna be using the bottom half of the egg for the middle of the flowers, and the top parts, because it's a little bit longer, I'm going to be using those for the petals of the flowers. Guys, this is so easy and pretty. I love this, and I had to show you guys how, because I know everyone must have Easter eggs left over, and I'm just showing you what you could use them for. You know, I know Easter is long gone, but guys, you could also repurpose, you know, stuff. So always remember that everything has more than one use. Everything has more than one use. Guys, all I'm doing is just using my glue gun to add the eggs, the top half of the eggs right around the bottom half. It is that simple and easy to do, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this, if this is a DIY that you'll try. Also share my videos, guys. And that's pretty much it. I'll be just going around until I feel the flower is formed, and then I'll stop. Yes, you guys, so while that is drying, can we just talk about how I got my 10,000 subscribers, guys? Oh my god, I am so grateful for you guys. You guys are the best. I thank you all for your support and love. I appreciate you all, and I'm just thankful, guys. You know, I'm just getting started. This is just the beginning, and I have a lot more content in store for you, and I have a long more way to go. I still need to get to my 4,000 watch hours, which is taking some time. But guys, you could help me by just watching my videos to the end, even though some of them have advertisements. Share my videos with your family and friends. And guys, also just remember to just thumbs up the video, and yeah, and leave me your comments down below, so that the algorithm actually shows that you know, I'm getting some form of communication, so that they could push my videos out to the wider audience. So guys, as you can see, the flowers has been formed. Now I'm laying down my ice cream stick, and then I'm going to add my stir stick to this. I'm just making sure I put, you know, a lot of glue to make sure that it holds firmly to the eggs. Guys, at this time my flowers finished. I'm gonna call it my steak. Should I call it my steak flowers, or should I call it my garden flowers? Let's just call it our garden decoration. Okay, garden floral decoration. This is absolutely cute, guys. There you have it. Comment down below if you know what you think of this. Also, if you would try this one out. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful garden decoration made out of Easter eggs, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I think it's cute. I think it's a great idea. for this other project, I'm gonna be using these 2 paper strips that I got from my tea bag box, you guys. Yes, you heard correctly, my tea bag box, guys. These they use in the box to section the tea bags, guys, and I pulled them out immediately. A bookmark came to my mind and I said I have to try doing this. I have to show you guys what you could do with basically garbage, because I was about to throw this in the garbage. Okay, yeah, so all I did was basically glue them together so that it would be thicker, because I'm gonna be definitely using this for real to mark my book when I'm reading a book or stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna be just making a hole with my hole cutter at the top to put my string. And guys, this string can be found at the Dollar Tree for just $1.25. That's where I bought it, guys. And this is just the basic, I believe they call it the burlap string. I don't remember, guys, but you could find it in the craft section in your Dollar Tree. And I just create a knot just to hold it, guys. And yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna be decorating the paper, and yeah, just look at that, absolutely cute, guys. I'm gonna be adding some stickers. Well, they're not stickers, they're actually wall clings, but I'm gonna use some glue to hold them down because that's what I have at the moment. So I'm just using what I have, guys. But look at this. You could leave it plain if you want to. I just put some little stickers on it for it to just look a little bit more pretty, because you know your girl is a little bit extra. I like pretty stuff, so yes. have it, guys, a beautiful bookmark made out of basically garbage. Yes, you guys, you heard correctly, guys. Basically made out of tea bag paper. I don't even know, but guys, look how beautiful this turned out. And I'm just showing you how you could put it in your book, guys. And of course, that book is a DIY. There's another video that I've done showing you how I covered that book. I basically use it cover. You know what, go watch your video, guys. Go on my channel, subscribe to the channel, make sure you share this video, guys, to get it out to a wider audience, guys, and also give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. Bye bye.